Check out allthesegreattoys.com for this and the great toys. This is the race car again? Oh my god. You know what? I'm out of here. Hey, what's up, my freaks and geeks out there? Today I'm reviewing a race car. I'm sorry, but every time I'm go 316 review little Transformers, I review race car. I just can't help it. Sorry, guys. Yeah, that's his move. Whoa! Wow, race car. Yeah, he does that. And he gotta do a high move now. Wow, dude. Wow. It's wow. Yeah, it's very cool. Does cool tricks. Yeah. Very cool tricks. Yeah. Yeah, not this thing right here, Optimus love it. Okay, guys, so be geek, be proud. Palm in your face. Hey, race car. Oh, hey. Wait, what? I never saw you before. I'm new here. You're new here? Yeah. Can we be twins? Well, shout